Hey, check it out. The School of Pharmacology is looking for volunteers.
We are testing a new medication for social anxiety, panic attacks, agoraphobia, and obsessive compulsive disorder. Why would they be looking for test subjects here?
I don't know, Raj. Maybe the comic book store doesn't have a bulletin board. What's going on?
Shh, hot girl at Sheldon's office. Sheldon's office?
That should do it.
Thank you for coming by. Hello.
Oh, hey, buddy. Buddy.
Sorry I'm late. I'm working on a project that may take me up on the next space shuttle.
How can you be late? I wasn't expecting you at all.
Nobody ever expects me. Sometimes you just look and BAM! Howard Wallace.
Sheldon, are you going to introduce us?
Oh, all right. This is Missy. Missy, this is Leonard and Rajesh, and you've already met Howard.
It's nice to meet you.
Me too, as well, also.
Yeah.
So how do you two know each other?
Oh, he once spent 9 months with my legs wrapped around his head.
Excuse me?
She's my twin sister. She thinks she's funny, but frankly, I've never been able to see it.
It's because you have no measurable sense of humor, Shelley.
How exactly would one measure a sense of humor? A humormometer?
Okay, so let me see if I got this. Leonard, Howard, and... I'm sorry, what was your name again?
Rajesh. Wait, put this in the bathroom.
What for?
I need to measure my fluid intake and output to make sure my kidneys aren't shutting down.
I mixed pancake batter in this.
No, that measuring cup has always been for urine.
You had time to make a label for everything in this apartment, including the label maker, but you didn't have 10 seconds to make one that said urine cup?
It's right here on the bottom.
Huh. I guess I owe the Betty Crocker Company a letter of apology.
Now remember, Newton realized that Aristotle was wrong and force was not necessary to maintain motion. So let's plug in our 9.8 meters per second squared as A, and we get force, Earth gravity, equals mass times 9.8 meters per second. So we can see that MA equals mg, and what do we know from this?
We know that Newton was a really smart cookie.
Now, if MA equals mg, what does that imply?
I don't know.
But how can you not know? I just told you. Have you suffered a recent blow to the head?
Hey, you don't have to be so mean.
I'm sorry. Have you suffered a recent blow to the head?
No, you just suck at teaching.
Really? Of those two explanations, which one seems the most likely?
Sheldon, look, I'm trying to understand, but you're going too fast. Can you just back up a little bit?
All right. It's a warm summer evening in ancient Greece.
Not that far back.
Okay. At what point did you begin to feel lost?
I don't know. Where were we looking up at the night sky?
Greece.
Damn it!
Look, there's no need to get frustrated. People learn at different rates. Unlike objects falling in a vacuum, which... MA equals MG...
Squared?
No.
Aristotle?
No.
5?
Oh.
Oh, then I don't know. crying.
Why are you crying?
Because I'm stupid!
Well, that's no reason to cry. One cries because one is sad. For example, I cry because others are stupid and it makes me sad.
Okay, look, can we just please forget about all this extra stuff and can you just tell me what Leonard does?
All right. Leonard is attempting to learn why subatomic particles move the way they do.
Really? That's it? Well, that doesn't sound so complicated.
It's not. That's why Leonard does it.
Okay, I just have one question. What exactly are subatomic particles?
A good question.
Thank you.
And to answer it, we first must ask ourselves, what is physics?
Oh, balls.
It's a warm summer evening in ancient Greece.
I just checked the house. There's probably 20, 25 people in there.
You're kidding.
Is that all?
All? In particle physics, 25 is Woodstock.
Oh. Well, then good.
I wasn't expecting such a crowd. I'm a little nervous.
It's okay. Just open with a joke. You'll be fine.
Okay, joke. Okay. How about this? There's this farmer, and he has these chickens, but they won't lay any eggs. So he calls a physicist to help. The physicist then does some calculations, and he says, I have a solution, but it only works with spherical chickens in a vacuum. Right?
Oh, sorry. I've heard it before.
How's your work going, Penny? Any acting jobs?
Well, the last big thing I did was this production of Diary of Anne Frank above a bowling alley. But I think things might be turning around pretty soon.
Great. How come?
Well, promise you won't make fun of me?
Of course. I would never make fun of you.
Okay, well, I went to this psychic who told me that if I cut my hair, I'm gonna get a national commercial.
Seriously? You're getting career advice from a psychic?
Good job not making fun of her.
She's not one of those phonies, okay? She wrote a book and has her own website.
Oh, gee, why didn't you say so? They don't just let anyone have a website.
Why are you being such a jerk?
You're surprised? Your psychic didn't tell you I was going to be a jerk?
Bite me.
Come on, Penny.
Why don't you kids go ahead and chat? We're gonna make out back here.
How can I go out with a woman who believes in psychics?
Hey, I once dated a girl who believed she was abducted by aliens.
And that didn't bother you?
Au contraire. It meant she was gullible and open to a little probing. Let me show you another way to look at this. Here we have the universe of all women. Okay, these are the ones you want to sleep with. These are the women who believe exactly what you believe. These are the women who would be willing to sleep with you. And right there, in the little triple intersection, is your ideal mate. Odds are she's a short physicist with low self-esteem who lives in a government research facility in China.
What's your point? In order to keep having a sexual relationship with Penny, I have to give up everything I believe in? My intellectual integrity? The very nature of who I am? I can't do that, Howard.
I respect that.
What is that?
Your new girlfriend. Have fun tonight.